Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to FSAT's online sport program. I am Mobin Mushtaq with a new lecture of chemistry, that is from chapter number 6, solutions. Before starting the new lecture, let's have a recap of the previous one. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about the solutions of gases and solutions of liquids. Now we will discuss about solutions of solids. Solutions of solids in gases. In this type of solution, solid particles are solute and air is a solvent. We call such solution as solid in a gas, as we have already discussed different types of solutions of gases and liquids, and we discussed different solutions of liquids in gas, in liquids and in solids. Like that, solutions of solids are also divided into three categories, and the first one is the solutions of solids in gases. In this type of solution, solute is a solid and solvent is a gas. Smoke is the example of it. It spreads in air, forming solution that contains solid carbon particles. In smoke, carbon particles are present in air, so carbon particles are solute and air is a solvent. This is the best example for solutions of solids in gases. Look at the figure here. You can see the smoke, as we have discussed that smoke is an example of a solution in which carbon particles are solute and air is a solvent. This is the example of a solution of solid in gases. Now we will discuss solution of solids in a liquid. This is the second category of solutions of solids. In the first one, we discuss about the solution of solids in gas. Now we are going to discuss about the solution of solids in liquid. It means the solute will be a solid and liquid will be a solvent. Solid dissolved in a liquid. Such solutions that contain a solid solute dissolved in a liquid are called solids in liquids. They are known as solids in liquids. As you know, water can dissolve a wide range of substances. For example, water can dissolve sugar in it, water can dissolve salt in it, and water can dissolve limestone in it. In all these cases, water is a solvent and sugar, salt and limestones are the solutes. You can see that sugar, salt and limestone are solids, but water is a liquid. So these are the example of a solution of solid in liquid. Look at the figure. You can see salt and sugar are dissolving in water. These both are the solutions of salt and sugar in water. It means it is the example of solid in liquid. In the first case, when salt dissolves in water, in this case salt is solute and water is solvent. In the second one, sugar is solute and water is solvent. Both are the example of a solution of solid in a liquid. In this figure, you can see the mixing of salt with water. That is the example of a solution that contains solid as a solute and liquid as a solvent. Some other solutions are also in the figure. We use these solutions in the laboratory. We use different types of solutions of salts in laboratory, and these are the example of solutions of solids in liquids. Now come to the solutions of solid in solid. As we are discussing about the solutions of solid, we discuss about the solutions of solid in a gas, we discuss about the solutions of solid in a liquid. Now we are going to discuss about the solutions of solid in a solid. It means, as the name shows, both solute and solvent are in the solid state in this case, and these solutions are prepared on large scale for commercial purposes. And the best example for this is that the pure gold is very soft, therefore cannot be used for making jewelry. As you all know that gold is used for making jewelry, but to make it harder, copper is added to the gold. This produces a solid solution. You know that we are discussing about the solution of solid in solid. In this case, copper is dissolving in the gold. It means copper and gold both are the solid, and the resulting solution is the solution of solid in a solid. Now this produces a solid solution of gold that melts at lower temperature than gold. प्योर गोल्ड से हम ज्वेलरी नहीं बना सकते, और अच्छी किस्म की ज्वेलरी बनाने के लिए उसके अंदर कॉपर को एडअप किया जाता है, उसको मिक्सअप किया जाता है, और कॉपर और गोल्ड क्योंकि दोनों सॉलिड हैं, तो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सॉलिड इन सॉलिड. Now look at the types of solutions. Solid solutions, gold, that is used for making jewelry, and gold jewelry is 14 by 18 carats. Solution of gold and copper, as we have already discussed, that it is the solution of solid in solid. Sterling silver, that is the solution of silver and copper. Both silver and copper are in the solid state. Two metals in a solution are called alloys. When we combine two metals in the form of a solution, they are known as alloys. Look at the figure, you can see the jewelry and some other items that are made up of alloys. Now coming to the more examples, brass, that is an alloy of copper and zinc. It is also example of solid in solid. Steel, an alloy of iron containing small amount of carbon and silicon. Steel, carbon and silicon are in the solid state. That's why it is also an example of solid in solid. Gemstones, that are used for making jewelry, they are also an example of solid in solid solutions. Here are some gemstones on the world. These are the gemstones of the world, and these are used in making jewelry. You can see different types and different colors in these gemstones. These are used for making jewelry, and these are the example of solids in solid solution. Now coming to a table that shows the 9 different types of solutions. We have discussed all these types of solutions separately. Now there is a summary for all these. First one, gaseous solutions, when solute is gas, liquid or solid, and solvent is gas. Common examples are also given. In the second case, these are the solutions of liquid, when solute is gas, liquid or solid, and solvent is only liquid. In the third one, when solute is gas, liquid or solid, and the solvent is solid. All these are the different types of solutions. These are the 9 different types of solutions we have already discussed, and we discussed these all types with suitable examples. Now after the discussion, there is assignment for you. You have to solve self-assessment exercise 6.2 from your textbook. It is all about types of solutions we have discussed. Types of solutions, these solutions are gaseous solutions, liquid solutions and solid solutions.